continuing how-to videos on how to tear your engine down series. We're going to be showing you today how to remove your valve covers on an old school small block Chevy. It's pretty simple, but you're getting a video anyway. You got 4 bolts on usually each side, one here, one here, one here, here. Depending on your style of valve covers and if somebody's been there, will depend on your bolt size. If you got the newer, you have 4 bolts here, 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 here. Should be down 4 or 3 one. I think they're 4. But we got the older style, we're going to go ahead and remove it. So my bolts turned out to be a 7/16, guys. So just go ahead and remove all 4 of them. One here and one here. If you got the intake off, do not lose your bolt down inside the motor. If I do, oh well, because this motor's coming out and the LS going in. Let's go ahead and just keep removing these. Nice set of valve covers though, isn't it? Somebody gets some nice valve covers. Chris should use them on one of his motors.
Didn't they give you that 454 to put in this?
Yeah, they gave me a 454 with this strap when I got it.
Well, Matt not, wasn't it?
Yep, I sold it as soon as I pulled up in the yard.
Did he?
Yep. Ain't gonna be blocking something.
I
better have LS.
Would you?
Mm-hmm. Damn, what about?
What I've been saying for a half an hour. I'm starting to think we got the wrong range.
So, we got the 4 bolts out. Amos is working on the other 4. Valve cover just picks straight up. You got, 3 bolts out. Everybody watching, waiting for one of them bolts to go down this intake.
Everybody. I know I would be.
Would you now? You didn't make it, did it? Pick straight up. Why is the orange on my push rods? Engine paint?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Nice clean valve cover here, guys. I'm gonna set it to the side so nothing happens to it. Ooh, now. There we go. Let Amos get his other one off. You seen how simple it is? It's very easy to do to change your gaskets, especially if that's something you're watching this video for, to figure out how. You just do it the same way, put your new gasket on it, and you know, what I'm gonna do always, hold this for a second, please, thank you, and you know, that was not a valve cover that fell, guys. Anyway, just install your new gasket on it and assemble it the same way you took it off. You can find the specs for your valve covers on the internet. Now, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, drop a like, leave a comment, smash that subscribe button. We've got an LS going in this thing, so stay tuned.